Hello and welcome to another episode of Certified Engineering. I'm Sprutis, and today is the episode where you will actually see some rolling shots of this, my Supra. So I managed to finish the last things in the last episode, enough to get it ready to be driven. So all we need to do now is remove the plastic, the sheets, get it down on the ground, get it to start, which shouldn't be a problem, and then drive it. So let's see how this goes. Oh, and we saw a Supra Mk3 on the way from work, so maybe we can take that as a sign. At least I do. First step accomplished, rear wheels are back on the ground, so front left to do. So it's back on the ground. So I'm sweating and a bit nervous. Let's see if it starts now. So that was that, and I've had some time now to calm down. The battery in the tuning laptop died, of course, so all I had to go on was my gauges. So I do quite fine with those, but I can't make any adjustments in case they are off, so I didn't want to push the car too much. I'm quite happy with how it went. We are, as you can see, back in the garage. It was only a short drive in an industrial area, as you saw. The things that I need to fix, or a few things that I need to look over, is of course the brake system. I was too lazy with the master cylinder swap. I should have taken my time with that instead of doing this ad hoc bleeding, but at least I had brakes, so I could do the drive. We have the power steering, but that will of course be fixed when I install the proper coolers for that and the engine oil. So yeah, it's okay. So yeah, I think we are ready for the wrenching season of 2024/2025, so that we can get moving early next season instead. That's the idea, but that's always the idea, so we will see how that goes. What else? I can feel that the engine has some power, so I'm really curious in how it will feel once I really unleash it and get on the throttle, not just the quick mini drive-by. So yeah, I'm happy, and hopefully you are happy as well for finally getting to see some pictures of or videos of the car moving and making noises and so on. Yeah, it's a very big mix of emotions right now, but we can move on. So thank you very much for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.